In this video, let us see three super facts about brain. What if I told you that you're carrying the world's most powerful supercomputer in your head and you're probably running it on low battery mode? Today, we are breaking down the three mind-blowing facts that prove your brain is a biological masterpiece. First, let's talk storage. Most of us worry about our phones running out of space. But have you imagined your brain? It's virtually unlimited. Research suggests your storage capacity is roughly 2.5 petabytes, which is actually 3 million hours of video. You could leave a TV running for 300 years straight and still have room in your memory to record every single second. You aren't forgetting because you're full. You're forgetting because your brain is a master at filling. But all that power comes at a cost. Your brain is the ultimate energy hog. It only makes up 2% of your body weight, but it demands 20% of your total daily calories just to stay awake. This is why you feel exhausted after a long exam or a deep strategy session at work. Intense thinking literally burns a workout's worth of energy. Your brain isn't just a thinker, it's an engine. Finally, the secret ingredient. Your brain isn't made of muscles or bone. It's the fattiest organ in your body, consisting of nearly 60% of fat. And this fat is essential for insulation. It's what allows electrical signals to travel at lightning speed between the neurons. This is why omega 3s and healthy fats aren't just good for you, they are the literal building blocks of your focus. Infinite storage, massive energy consumption, and built on fat. You're essentially a high performance machine. The question is, are you fueling it correctly? Drop brain in the comments if you learned something new today and hit subscribe to unlock more of your brain's potential.